Hey, what's up everyone? It's CJ here with Elevated Systems, and I wasn't going to make a video this week, but an opportunity came up that I just couldn't pass on. So I'm squeezing this project in between all the dad duties I've got going on and a cross-country flight for my grandbaby's 3rd birthday coming up this weekend. Now, here's the deal. One of my daughter's 6th grade cronies recently had his old gaming laptop break down on him, and it's pretty much beyond repair. With his birthday just around the corner, we thought, why not surprise him with a custom gaming PC? I mean, what better gift could a young gamer ask for, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna take you along for the ride as I build a gaming PC using parts that I have on hand and can afford to let go of. And by afford, I mean in terms of their continued use in my content, not so much their dollar value. Our goal is to create the best gaming experience for this kid who loves playing games like Minecraft and Roblox, which play great on a wide range of hardware. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Your support helps us keep making awesome content like this, and we really appreciate it. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go over the parts we've chosen for this gaming rig. Since we're working with what we have on hand, our goal is to make the most out of these components and build a solid gaming PC for our 12-year-old birthday boy. Let's take a closer look at each part and why I chose them. First, the platform was the easiest choice because a B560 motherboard and 10th gen Intel CPUs are the only ones I have 2 of. So we're going with the ASRock B560M Steel Legend Micro ATX motherboard. It's the perfect fit for our more compact build, and while the quad-core i3-10100 would have been enough for our needs, we're going to kick it up a notch with the 6-core 12-thread i5-10400. Now, when it comes to keeping the CPU cool, I could have grabbed one of my 240mm AIOs, but for reliability's sake, I'm going with the Vitro V5 air cooler. It's one of the best value coolers out there, and I happen to have 2 of them on hand. As for memory, the choice was easy. This 16GB DDR4 3200T Create kit is the only compatible RAM I have that isn't currently in use in another PC or test bench. For storage, we're going with the Sabrent Rocket Q M.2 SSD. It's got plenty of space for our needs and should perform perfectly in a gaming rig. To power the rig, I'm going with this EVGA 500 watt gold rated PSU. It's brand new, more than enough wattage for the system, and EVGA is one of the few tech companies I've had 0 problems with over the years in terms of reliability and customer service should there be a problem. Now, the hardest choice I had to make was the graphics card. I don't have a ton of options lying around, and the ones I do have are constantly in use. But luckily for us, I do have an NVIDIA GTX 1650 that I actually need a low profile version of for an upcoming project, so I'll be replacing it anyway. This Asus Phoenix OC edition is perfect for our needs. It may be an entry-level card, but it's definitely overkill for his game library and can easily handle esports games, and with the appropriate visual settings, definitely provides a very playable experience even in newer AAA titles. Plus, it's going to be a huge upgrade over the integrated mobile graphics he's been accustomed to. And finally, the case. This one was tough because I have so many options, but as soon as I saw my Mutex MK7 Micro ATX case in my storage unit, I knew it was the one. I actually used this case for my personal gaming rig for a hot minute, and it's packed with features. We're talking 4 RGB case fans, including a massive 200mm front fan for great airflow, a magnetic tempered glass side panel, and a built-in fan hub with an RGB selection button to avoid any pesky RGB software. I even did a quick mod so I could plug the CPU fan's RGB cable directly into the hub so all the fans are in sync. And to top it all off, we're slapping in a PCIe Wi-Fi card just in case he doesn't have a hardline internet connection. And with that, this compact gaming tower is complete. All right, so we've got the core computer system sorted out, but let's not forget that he's coming from a laptop with all the built-in peripherals, so we'll need to equip this setup with some essentials. Kicking things off, we have an Asus 22-inch 1080p monitor. Given that monitors aren't a big aspect of my content, I'm working with a modest selection, but this particular display is in need of a new home. While it's not specifically geared towards gaming, this IPS panel boasts impressive color accuracy and fantastic viewing angles with a decent 5 millisecond gray to gray pixel response time and a refresh rate of 75 Hz, enabling VSync will definitely offer a smooth gaming experience, and my wife's old webcam can even continue to live on top of it. Finally, I didn't have any gaming keyboards or mice on hand, so I did a quick Amazon search and stumbled upon the Orsley Hornet gaming keyboard, mouse, and headset bundle. I was searching for something that matched the aesthetics, had mostly positive reviews, and was budget friendly. This particular bundle fit the bill, coming in at just $50. While it might not cater to the competitive gamer, it should be perfect for our 12-year-old birthday boy. The keyboard has customizable RGB lighting, the mouse has an ergonomic design with adjustable sensitivity settings, and there's a headset which takes care of our audio requirements. All in all, this bundle seems like a good choice for anyone looking to set up a gaming station for a young gamer without breaking the bank. With the hardware squared away, I finished up by updating the motherboard BIOS to give us the latest features, including resizable bar support. I installed a fresh copies of Windows 11, updated all the drivers, including installing the latest NVIDIA Game Ready driver, and I finished up by running a couple of stability tests to ensure everything's working correctly. So with the computer all set, you might be expecting the grand surprise reveal, as we've done in the past for my kids and family, but this time it's a bit different because it's not my child this time, and it's the internet. Plus, right after I finish editing this video, I'll be hopping on a plane, so there's no time to deliver and set up the computer before then. And I know you all understand that we won't have a big reveal today. However, the surprise is actually happening right now in real time, as our birthday boy is also a viewer of the channel. While I'm across the country when this video goes live, my daughter should be texting her friend at this very moment to confirm that this gaming PC is indeed his. So happy birthday to you, unnamed friend of my daughter. As soon as I get back, I'll deliver the computer, help you set it all up. And that's it for our birthday gift PC build. I hope you guys enjoyed joining me as we put together a solid gaming setup for a deserving kid. There's nothing quite like making someone's special day even a little more special by sharing our love for tech and gaming. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more high quality tech content. And of course, I'm always interested in hearing your thoughts and suggestions, so drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.